adding validations. So when we go to add an athlete, if this is empty, we want to actually see the error messages. Right now, it's not giving us an error, but if we actually look at the console, we should see some 400. And we need to figure out a way to actually get those error messages on the DOM or on the page. So the way we're going to do that is on submission in our create view. So in here, if there's an error, we want to actually get the error messages from it. So we're going to use state and we're going to errors set errors, and this will initially be an empty array. Then, if there are errors, then we can console log the error just so we can see, but we can actually loop through the response to get all the data, or the errors. And the way the errors are actually structured, we're going to get the error response, or the errors from the response, and that's saved in error.response.data.errors. And let's create our error array that will end up setting our errors to. We're going to loop through our error response. And let's just push in our error array the error response at the key dot message. And then at the very end, we're going to set errors to our error array. Okay? So what this is saying is if it's successful, we're just going to navigate back here. Otherwise, we're going to set our errors and we'll want to display them. So let's right here, errors dot map. We're going to say error and then index, and we'll return a paragraph tag with the error message, so the error itself, and let's give it a key of index. So this should now work. What we're saying is if there's an error, we want to get all those errors, keep it in state, and then it'll end up displaying. So let's go back and click submit, and we say first name is required, last name is required. So our error messages are working.